in just a moment today's video. But first, a 30-second announcement. What if the secret to living your best life is realizing that you're not fighting the world, you're fighting yourself? We are inviting you to get deep with our free 7-day self-love challenge, compliments of our intuitive arts and self-growth school, Zen.Ed Academy, where we feature a huge catalog of courses and certifications to help you constantly improve yourself in your self-growth and as an intuitive arts professional. Click the link to find out more and get started today. And now, on to today's video. I want to talk today about control dramas. Okay, this is something that we talk about other people doing, but sometimes we don't realize when we are doing it. So we want to take accountability for our lives and our actions. Sometimes those actions are not conscious. Control dramas kind of come as a result of conflict and us wanting to resolve that conflict as quickly as possible. And most people have come to accept that conflict is inevitable. We would like to not have it, but it does happen. We're in life, we have egos that get in the way of each other. So on the one hand, we need some type of conflict to learn how to deal with conflict. Otherwise, you have to go through it to learn how to deal with it. But really, to grow and mature, we need change and pressure in order to grow. Like a diamond, right? No pressure, no diamond. So we don't really like it, but we like the results. One weird human thing that we do to cope with conflict is by using unconscious strategies called control dramas to gain power or energy from another person and essentially to get our way with others. That means we don't have to do the work, right, of resolving the conflict in a healthy way. So a control drama is played out by someone who's feeling low on power or energy. We all get there, right? But we use this strategy to manipulate and get energy from others instead of working on our stuff. So we get our way with others by making them pay attention to us, right? And then elicit a certain reaction from them to make ourselves feel fulfilled. In this case, we're trying to get positive feelings, which are positive for us, but maybe not for them. These positive feelings, though, that we get from this control drama are won at the expense of the other person. We've taken something from them, and this often causes imbalances and drama in our interpersonal relationships. Okay, this is stuff we got to take responsibility for because no one gets out of jail free. Everyone has done this, but we just need to be more aware that we're doing it. So how do we gain positive attention in a healthy way? Because we all want attention, and in reality, we all need attention as a human. Okay, when we feel invisible, we feel lonely and we get sad. To gain positive attention, do positive things. Don't beg, don't be needy. And being needy is kind of, a control drama in itself. So be kind, encourage, uplift, do positive things, learn how to use our positivity to bring other people positivity, but also reap the rewards of it. So hold up a mirror and receive that for yourself. Give more than you take is the policy. And a crazy thing happens when you give more than you take. You get way more than you give. It's just that dichotomy of kindness, and it makes you human. Love you guys. Leave some thoughts on today's inspiration. Inspire each other. You guys have a wonderful day. Just a reminder to take a moment and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to sign up for our free 7-day self-love challenge. Compliments of Zen.Ed Academy, where it has never been easier than right now to get comprehensive Ph.D.-backed education to improve your life and to get professionally certified in your intuitive arts career. Mediumship, tarot, self-growth. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.